Now, the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Matt Moore.
Well, nice start to the morning here in the Susquehanna Valley. We take the clock back to 7 a.m. from our Harrisburg Skycam and had a beautiful start to the morning with the sky cover. The temperatures wasn't bad. You stepped outside, but it's turned a little toasty since then. We're taking now a live look with some of those puffy cumulus clouds trying to bubble up in the daytime heating. It's 85 degrees already in the capital city. We are probably on our way to a number that is close to 90 here this afternoon, if not into the low 90s going into the peak heating of the day. Dew points are up too, it's still in the upper 60s. That's adding a few degrees onto that heat index. It feels like near 90, but we are waiting on a cold front and a big change that's expected to arrive for us as we head tonight and especially through the day tomorrow. Currently, other temps are warm as well. A lot of mid to upper 80s out there across the region, even around 87 in Carlisle, probably going to be getting into the 90s here today. And again, the heat index a few degrees above that with these dew point values still very elevated. But again, some changes. Refreshing air is making its way towards us, but we have one more round of storms to get through. Not yet seeing them here in the Susquehanna Valley. A couple of heavy downpours there up above the banner, and we are watching for a cold front, which is sitting back into the Great Lakes. So as that front gets closer to us, we'll watch for those scattered evening showers and thunderstorms. Now, I can't rule out a couple of them popping up here as we go into about the late afternoon, but really it looks like the evening hours will be the time frame for some of these showers and storms to roll through. Now, some of these storms could potentially be on the strong side of things, gusty winds being the primary threat from any storms that form here as we go into the later parts of today. But partly sunny here, warm and muggy. Again, some places getting into the 90s. Tonight, more of those scattered showers, even a few thunderstorms around the region, mostly cloudy skies otherwise. But here's the key to the forecast tonight. The humidity will begin to fall, and that's because our cold front moves through about late this evening. And once that happens, the dew points or the humidity values will start to drop as well. And then that trend will continue throughout the day tomorrow. A cooler, more comfortable day. But again, we've got some shower chances to deal with, I think, in the morning hours, even into about lunchtime perhaps. But I think once we hit the afternoon, those showers push to the south, and we'll get into some clearing here as we head into the afternoon. Notice the highs tomorrow, much cooler as well, upper 70s to near 80 degrees. So here is that refreshing air. It's sitting just off to our north and west up into Canada and the Great Lakes, parts of Michigan, the northern plains. So getting a nice taste of some drier air in those locations. But out ahead of that front, it's pretty muggy. And there's a pretty good idea of where that front is. Really easy to pick out on the satellite and radar picture. And that's the front we'll be watching for to trigger some additional storms as we go through the later parts of today. So timing things out, predictor gets us up to about the low 90s here or near 90 here this afternoon with some of those storms beginning to form. But again, I think the storm chances kind of a late threat for us here and probably late afternoon into the late evening hours with one round of showers and then another round of showers and thunderstorms here possible as we go into tomorrow morning. But it looks like most of the rain will start to push to our south throughout the morning hours tomorrow. And then by the afternoon and evening hours, it's looking like a really nice one for us and just in time for that high school football action. Here's a sight for sore eyes. Today, muggy, but hey, we're going all the way through tomorrow and the weekend with comfortable weather. Gotta like that here. The 7-day forecast shows some really nice weather on the way and just in time for the weekend too. Some sunshine around, low humidity, comfortable temps, and we stay that way generally all the way into about Monday. Tuesday, though, we'll start to see the humidity creep back up and more storm chances on Wednesday. So yet another weekend here with some nice weather on the way. We'll take it.
Joe and I were talking about the comfy. We like that.
I think tomorrow maybe we'll add 4 comfies to it.
All right, sounds good. Yeah. Thank you, Matt.